Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aparna Rai and welcome to my channel those who are new. The last video I uploaded was last year. Yeah, मैले last year dance video upload गरेको थिएँ. तपाईले देख्नु छैन भने please go and watch. So I've been a bit busy, right? I'm very much inconsistent and lazy. I love making videos, guys. Trust me, I love making videos. I love editing. I love talking to myself in front of the camera. I love vlogging, everything like that. But so it's okay. I'll try to be consistent this time. I'll try to shoot more often. I'll try to upload more often these days. As I've already said that you guys are wonderful, you guys are the best. You guys have given me so much love, unconditional love, unconditional support. I really appreciate to each and every one of you. Thank you so much. It feels like so great to be back, it feels great to be on YouTube, like uploading videos, talking to you guys. You guys have given me immense unconditional love. My friends have been supporting from day one. I just hope you guys will support me in future. So without further ado, I just want to start with my video. As you all can see with the title, so for this video a lot of you guys have been asking about my room tour. यो भिडियो चाहिँ खासमा लास्ट इयरै मलाई भनेको थियो हैन, बट भएन. सो आई एम हियर विथ दिस भिडियो. फर दोज यु हेभ बिन आस्किङ, प्लिज इन्जोय, प्लिज शेयर, प्लिज subscribe to my channel as well. And yeah, let's get started. Yeah, it's kind of messy, but I'm gonna show you everything. So hi again people, starting with my room tour. I have this mirror, rectangular shaped mirror. It's kind of small for me, for my room, and I'm gonna replace this mirror with a round shaped mirror soon. For time being ko लागि चाहिँ I'm just using this mirror. Kahi जान्छ चाहिँ I just don't have to go to another room and check myself. So yeah, it's helping. I'm using this. It's okay. So another, this wall. I'm gonna put my new mirror, put my new round shaped mirror. And coming to my floor, I've attached a brown turf to the floor, which is super warm during winters, and it's not that hot during summers also. Duita weather it goes, and the safa garnu pani it's like very easy. You just have to vacuum the whole thing. I have a white turf which I bought it from Shein. I really miss Shein. I miss Shein. Tell me you guys miss Shein too. Coming to this small table of mine. So मैले चाहिँ रुममा बेसी काचाकुचुक नराखेर चाहिँ I've just kept a small table just below my bed. I have my file. Your file ma चाहिँ I keep everything like college ko assignments, मैले लेखेको notes. Made this glass paint गरेर त्यो playlist को हुन्छ नि त्यस्तो I made, but it's incomplete. I've not completed it. This one and this one. I'll complete it soon. Start each day with a positive thought. यो चाहिँ मैले सबै मेरो कलेजको notes are there. And here I have a very cute little what do you call it, a pot, a handmade pot, which Nalunma had sent me a few days back. It's handmade, yeah. And if you want to check their page, you can always go and search Annapurna Essence in Instagram. They sell very cute and creative pots like this. And look at the color combination, it's so cute. It's blue and grey. Big shout out to Annapurna Essence and Namchi. So another, I have this pot. It's kind of cute. मेरो काकीले उमार्नु भएको यो सबै हैन. She has a whole garden outside our veranda. यो pot को लागि मात्रै I just bought it inside. So I have this mirror. Got it from Miniso. Everyone has it. It's very easy, right? So moving on to the next section of my room is this hanging cloth rack. cloth rack ko color and मेरो wallpaper ko color चाहिँ मैले हेरेरै paint गरेको so that it goes together and it went well. तर this rack is like too big. त्यसैले मैले कुनामा राखिराख्छु के remake this अलिक सानो बनाउँछु अलिक मोटो बनाउँछु. So this is my curtain. And another interesting wall is this, my V-shaped bookshelf, my graduation, my DIY graduation hat, which my Nini made it for me. This too I got it from handmade ko expo laik थियो क्या Gantok MG Mart ma. Actually I did not buy this, both was gifted to me by my kaki. And I have this bookshelf. Yeah, that is it for this wall. So then I have another very interesting wall which I've made it on my own. So यो idea चाहिँ I got it from Pinterest. Pinterest मा चाहिँ it was like बिटिटिटिटिटिटि थियो हैन तर मैले चाहिँ अब एक कतिवटा कम्ती बनाएको छु Pinterest को देखिन्जेल चाहिँ. So this dream catcher gifted by my Nini again. यो सबै cut and paste गरेको मैले print out गर्दै cut and paste गरेको. All the random topics, you know. Toxic, Drew House, B-rolls, I love B-rolls, and some aesthetic paintings, Queen, emotional oranges, Justin Bieber, aesthetic Janaiko, don't be a salty bitch, radiate positivity, get it done. The future is female. So योहरु चाहिँ मलाई अब I found it very interesting. अब अझै जे interesting लाग्छ म त्यो add गर्दै जान्छु. This is it for this wall. Another section is my shelf. This is also Pinterest inspired. Small Polaroid photographs with my dear and near ones. On top of this, I have books which I've read and my favorite girl out there. And lights. Best part about my room is my bed. Yes, I love my bed so much. It's a Pinterest inspired bed. मेरो मनी त्यस्तो normal bed थियो, but then I removed that thing. Floor bed बनाए. It's kind of high. This I used to keep a side table on this side, but it kind of looked very untidy, you know. That's it for the bed. Side table ma चाहिँ I've kept my earring organizer. Again bought it from Shein. It's untidy, still untidy. Both untidy. No. I keep all of my mask, charger here, and my another wall. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys liked it, please do like, share and comment. That is the drill, you know. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.